In today's video, I'll teach you how to change background in Roblox. So first of all, launch open Roblox application. You can see over here Roblox has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to access the settings. If you want to change your background, tap on this option device preferences that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to access the settings for device preferences. Right over here you'll be able to find this option for device level theme. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various themes like dark and light over here. So what you have to do is simply tap on the theme of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here the theme or background of the Roblox will be changed. You can also adjust the transparency of the background if you want. For that, what you can do is simply drag the slider to the left or right. So like this, you'll be able to change the background. So that is how you change background on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.